Let me see that bad boy.
Oh, gas.
Whoa, let's got dinner. Let's go to the stairs. Come on, Bob. It's a bad boy.
It's a barracuda, bro.
That's the biggest. What happened to the rest of it?
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me, bro?
Let me see what's the hugest ever. That is the hugest ever, Bob. Look how fat that barracuda is right now.
Oh my god. Dude, are you serious?
That's epic. Epic Phil, let's go grind. Let's go.
Tacos.
Let's go eat. Let's go make tacos. Hey, great job, Bob.
Good job, Bob. Yeah.
What a good dinner.
Who's cooking it?
I don't think your girl big enough.
Woo! Woo! Hey, let's go. Bring it up.
I'm gonna hand the pole and the gas up.
Okay,
Hand the
come
pole
this way.
first and the gas next. Yeah, you're the man, Andy.
Yeah, boys.
Man, I don't know about
So, this guy's took my jet ski when he get dinner. This guy weighs some pounds, eh?
Bro, that is
Back up, boys. Back up. Hey, let's go for the state record, man.
We're gonna go. There you go. Fisher bowl.
Fisher bowl. Oi. Somebody will come grab the kind. Yo, boy, hold on. Hey, somebody grab this. Table. Give me that shit. Right there. Oh, that's a big boy. Yeah. But it's an animal.
That's over 100 pounds, bro. Unfucking
Yeah, this shit's all live, dog. Live action. Live action. Woo! Look at the choppers on this bad boy. Oh, I think my finger compared to that chopper. Oh, but it's some hospital.
Alright, give him back the pole. Give him back the pole.
Hey, guys, going back down.